Hi, my name is Swami. I am from Maker Lab, Nellore. Now, my project is vacuum cleaner. The components of vacuum cleaner are a fan, motor, power supply board, and a battery. Now, I will show you how it will work. In vacuum cleaner, the components are a fan, a motor, power supply board, and a battery. Thank you.